Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the BPMIO 5000 PA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A 3-in-1 cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle pet hair, carpets, and hard floors with ease. Equipped with a Japanese BIDC high-speed brushless motor, this robot vacuum delivers a powerful 5000 pascals suction, automatically boosting its power on carpets for a deeper clean. Its advanced LDS LiDAR navigation system ensures precise 360-degree scanning and mapping, intelligently planning routes to cover your entire home while avoiding obstacles and preventing falls. With its 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping capabilities, the B15 features a large capacity dust box and electronically controlled water tank, offering 3 levels of water flow adjustment for impeccable floor cleaning. Seamlessly control your cleaning experience with the Smart Life Tuya app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to set schedules, adjust settings, and create up to 30 no-go zones to protect sensitive areas. Enjoy a customizable cleaning experience with various modes, including automatic, edge, and spot cleaning, and benefit from a runtime of up to 150 minutes, with automatic recharging and resuming of tasks. Finally, the upgraded off-road wheels and 18mm obstacle clearance make transitioning between surfaces a breeze, ensuring your home remains spotless with minimal effort.